Good Guys Automotive Performance reported to you live from the bunker in beautiful Mokena, Illinois. This is our new, bigger location, bigger facility. Good Guys Automotive Performance, 18805 South Wolf Road. Unit 10, around the back of the building. That's Good Guys Automotive Performance, 18805 South Wolf Road. Unit 10, around the back of the building. Mokena, Illinois, 60448. Give us a call with all your automotive needs. Automotive repair, truck repair. High performance, 2,000 horsepower, Protory roadsters. 1,000 horsepower wheel standing Chevelles. LS max power, computer controlled, fuel injected, intercooler. Magnus Supercharger. Turbo diesels, trucks. 4x4s, Monster. Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, Land Rover.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. I looked round and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound like the drums beating in my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart.
Give us a call with all your automotive performance needs.
You've been
Good Guys Automotive, 224-633-0012. www.goodguysautomotiveperformance.com. Google us on Facebook. Good Guys Automotive Performance, Mokena, Illinois. Give us a call when you're ready to look good. Give us a call when you're ready to go fast. 224-633-0012.